In this video, we're going to show you how to install the exterior door mirror on your Ford Taurus located on the driver's side door. On the inside right here, there's a plastic trim cover. Sometimes you can just grab it and wiggle it off, or you can use a plastic trim tool to go ahead and get behind here and pop that off gently. Right here is going to be the electrical harness for the mirror itself. There's a little tab on the bottom. You're going to pinch in on that and go ahead and grab that connector and wiggle that out. Don't pull on the wires. So we have two 10mm nuts here and a 10mm bolt. I'm going to go ahead, loosen and remove these. And just do this for all three. Now that we get the last bolt just about out, I'm going to go ahead and reach around and hold the mirror in place. Hold on to the door while you loosen and remove the last bolt. You don't want that to fall out and mark up your door. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Go ahead and set that aside. Go ahead and take your mirror, feed that through. Make sure everything lines up. I'm going to go ahead and get the upper nut started here and spin that on as far as I can. Once you get the upper nut, you can go ahead and release that. That'll hold that in place. Go ahead and get the other nut on. And then we'll go ahead and get the back bolt in place. Let's go ahead and snug them all down. Once you have these all snug, go ahead and take that connector and go ahead and line that up. Push that in. You're going to feel it and hear it snap into place. Once that's secure, go ahead and grab your sail panel cover right here. Should have the clips on there. Go ahead and line this up. Push that in. Snap that into place. Now you want to go ahead and install the cover here. And there are tabs on there. All we need to do is lay this down on the top, and we're going to push it forward so that all of our tabs will lock in. Now when you get your mirror, this is going to be in a primer base, and most of these are painted from the factory, so you want to go ahead and have it color matched from a body shop, or you can paint it yourself. Simply line that up and just push it on. You're going to feel it snap into place. Go ahead and make sure that the seam is nice and tight all the way around, and it is. Now at this point here, you want to hop into the vehicle. Go ahead and adjust that mirror as you would want to have it when you're driving down the road. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.